Hey guys, it's Lizzie here. So today I'm going to show you how to do this warm toned sort of halo eye using the Kat Von D Saint and Sinner palette. I did do a cool toned look fairly recently, a couple of weeks ago, and that was quite popular, and I just wanted to try out the warmer tones in the palette and see how they work. And then on my lips I'm using a product by Pretty Zombie Cosmetics, and it's in Tombstone. It's a liquid lipstick and it's absolutely lovely. I'm really impressed. What's happening? Oh, I can't. Is it Jaffa? Yeah, she likes to sit up there. So yeah, if you want to know how to create this look, then do keep watching. I already start with my foundation and concealer done because I was doing a first impression of the Bare Minerals Bare Pro Liquid Foundation. I have very mixed views on it, so yeah, if you want to check out my full thoughts on that, I will link the video below when I upload it, and yeah, stay tuned to check out how to recreate this look. The first thing I'm going to do is take Martyr, which is this warm caramel shade. We're just going to take this colour through the crease. Let me open the palette back up. Right. Okay, so we're going to take this underneath the eye as well. I'm sort of tilting the brush into the crease. My cats, did you hear that? My cats are just getting a bit nutty. They're having their burst of energy where they just run around. This is a really nice warm brown. So the last look I did with this palette was all very cool toned, and I said in that I would create a nice warm tone one. So here we are. I have been using this all the time. It's really nice. Sometimes it is a bit tricky on the day-to-day basis because it's too exciting, so I just use my contour colour on my eyes and then maybe my bronzer, so I don't get too many products out and get too carried away. I would love to have a bit more time before work, but I just can't get up earlier than 6:45, so I'm then going to take Devil, the orange shade, on a smaller fluffy pencil brush. I'm going to use a different brush. I'm not using any primer for this look because you don't really need to with these products. Maybe if you need them on for a very long period of time, maybe a primer would help. I don't know, but I've just found they're so pigmented. Hardly any fallout, really easy to blend. I absolutely love them. So I'm sort of putting this either side of the lid and then blending underneath the crease colour with it, and then when there's even less on my brush, just making sure it's blended upwards well. In this middle gap we're going to add the nice gold shade. Going to go back to the first shade. No more, the first brush I mean, no more product on it though, and just make sure it's still all blending really well. Okay, and then I think this one's blended a bit more in there, in the inner corner than this one, so I'll take this out a bit further. So my foundation's already done because I'm doing a foundation first impression, and it's on the Bare Minerals Pro Foundation, the liquid one. So far I have quite mixed views about it, so check out that video to find out what I think, but I will leave it below. I don't know what video will be up first. At the moment I've got into a really bad habit of filming loads. I've got loads of videos, but I just don't go around to editing them. And some of them I found that I completely forgot that I filmed. Oh, I've got hiccups. Look how blue this makes my eyes. My cat's being so cute with this little box. Right, I don't know what to do under the eye. Should I put the orange? Yeah, I'm going to use that same orange Devil on a different brush. So I'm going to take Devil on this tiny pencil brush. And again, inner and outer corner. And leave the middle blank. We're going to put gold all the way across that. because we've already got that martyr shade under there, it does help with blending this out. And then the fliffy sort of small pencil brush, I'm just going to use that to blend it out. You know what eyeshadow palette I'm looking forward to next is the one by Kristen Leanne and Urban Decay. I'm very much excited about that. It just looks so beautiful. Okay, the big brush again, nothing's on it, I'm just sort of going all around my eyes. I need to sort of tactically blow my nose without ruining my makeup. Be right back. Okay, I'm now going to take a flat eyeshadow brush and some setting spray and just spritz it, and then we're going to pack on the gold. I do feel like I have vaguely filmed this as a makeup tutorial too, if I'm honest, and that I just haven't found the footage, or I don't know. Anyway, the gold is called Relic. It looks like this. It's very nice. Tap it off because metallic ones tend to have some fallout, and we're going to just pack that on. So I've definitely done this with this product. I might not have filmed it. Who knows? And then I'm going to put some under the eye too. So the product's on the top of the brush, not underneath, and I sort of pack it on that way. It's a real yellowy gold. Okay, now that I've applied that, I was really scary then, I'm just going to blend around the edges of the gold. Just to make sure it blends into Devil really well. I'm then going to take my Urban Decay Perversion eyeliner, completely forgot what it's called then, and just tightline my eyes. Really press it into the hairs. I'm going to leave that to set, and I think I'll do gold underneath, my NYX pencil in gold. But for now I'm going to go over with some liquid eyeliner on my eyelid, and this is the Match liquid eyeliner. Okay, so I've just done my brows and mascara. For my brows I used the micro brow pencil from NYX and their tinted mascara, and then for my lashes, as always, I used H&M's High and Mighty. I forgot the name of it. I bought a new one of these the other day, so that's good because it's starting to dry out. I will now show you my face makeup. Again, standard. This. So this is blending on really smoothly onto this new foundation. That is the wrong colour for my face, but there we are. I'm going to save my blusher until I've done my lipstick and my highlighter as well actually. I might use a new lipstick. That doesn't really go. This is Witch's Brew by Pretty Zombie Cosmetics. I do like it though. Otherwise I have Tombstone, that's a dark grey. Metallic Purple's a bit random. And the other two are black with like turquoise and purple. The turquoise was fun. I feel like the grey is the best option. So I'm going to give that a go. Oh my god, I love it. These liquid lipsticks are my favourite. They're affordable, I think, and they are long lasting. I did swatch all these on the back of my hand the day I received them because they're so pretty. And they did, it makes my teeth look really white, but also because my face is darker than my body, I think. It's all a bit weird. Anyway, and some of them did feel a different texture on the back of my hand, and some of them also did stay on for ages, even when I washed my hand. I still don't know if you can see the foundation on the back of my hand. That's how orange it's gone, and I've washed my hand, it won't come off. I'm going to use the same blusher as I always use. It's this one by Gosh. I'm going to take this shade first, which is the deepest shade. Tiny bit of that on a fibre optic brush, and just place it on sort of like above my contour on the backs of my cheeks, and then blend it up and out. just so the grey doesn't wash me out. It's quite a deep grey, it's not, you know, too pale or anything. Oh, looking into this like it's a mirror. Oh, I can't see a thing. And then I think I will layer over the top the mixture of the other two orangey ones. One's slightly glittery and one's more jewel chrome. Both fabulous, so. I have quite textured skin, so I mean, if you have the same and you're quite insecure about it, shimmery blushes and things aren't really the way forward. I'd suggest using something matte, or just sticking with that first colour. You know, don't buy this palette if you're not going to use the other two. That'd be a waste of money. Whereas I think, you know, skin texture is what it is. Mine isn't showing any signs of getting smoother, so but I don't want to miss out on these fun colours. For highlighter, I'm going to use one from BH Cosmetics. I'll just get it out. I'm going to take Glow from the BH Cosmetics, what one's this? The Spotlight palette, and it's slightly warmer than Ethereal, but I most remix the two together. Glow, as you can see, is quite a blinding highlight, but I bloody love it. Again, it is going to show up texture. This look goes so well with the shirt. And then take just a big powder brush just to blend over the top of that. Because I like it to be quite precise, but that brush got too much product on to blend out the edges. So here we go, guys, this is the makeup look complete. I hope you like it. This liquid lipstick is just amazing. I absolutely love it. They feel so comfortable. They don't feel like crumbly or anything. I brought some new ones from Lime Crime. I bought Red Velvet, is that what it's called? To replace one I had before. And the formula of that has changed. And all the others were different too. I bought the Serpentine trio. Sorry, my hair's like really flat up here and like... and all of them are really crumbly. And originally they were really soft and like silky on the lips and sort of was so thin and would last all day. And these new ones just crumble down and you have dots of the liquid lipstick on your chin, you try to rub it off and it just smears, and I don't really know why they changed it. But yeah, these are still the same, which is good because they are completely different packaging than the original ones. But so far, this is the first one I've tried on my face. It feels fine. My hair is gone crazy. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Sorry it's been a bit disjointed. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and found it helpful. If you want to see the cool toned look, I will link that below so you can check it out. It's all the pinks and purpley shades. It's really nice. I think I prefer this. I like the gold. I really like gold eyeshadow. I think it's really nice. I want to try the really dark metallic blue and the red soon as well. So I think I'll do looks where they're the main focus and not so many colours going on because they're just so stunning. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you want to see the foundation first impression again, I will link that below as it's a bit iffy. But yeah, I'll see you all soon. Take care, bye bye.